Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Jonesboro local and long-distance movers near me. Not many moving firms will travel long distances to get you to your destination, but 3 movers can help you make a move without any issue. A long-distance move covers and exceeds 50 miles and sometimes could fall well outside of Jonesboro. The complexity of a move increases with the distance, and the truth is that long-distance moves are not easily pulled off. However, we have the manpower and equipment to ensure that a long-distance relocation is successful. In fact, we will not only pull off a long-distance move, but we will do it swiftly, ensuring that you save up a lot of time in getting acquainted with your new environment. We have the trucks to handle large items, and we lay down foolproof plans to help us eradicate potential problems. How about a local move? Can we handle such relocations? Absolutely. Local relocations are very easy to make, and you can afford our price. We charge $30 to $40 per hour for a relocation. Compared to the packages of other relocation firms in the area, we have the best relocation package. You can trust us to come through for you even when the roads are rough. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jonesboro moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.